Friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to see how to reset our phone. First you have to go to the settings. You can even search settings and go, and now I'm going to put factory reset, FACTORY, and you will get something like this: erase all data factory reset. You have to obviously click on that. And I hope you guys can see this clearly, and I'm very sorry about the video quality, because it's really not comfortable in here, so that's why. And I think you guys can see it right now. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, or reset app preferences. Now we have to go to erase all data, which is in bracket factory reset, and then I want to erase all of my data, which is including my music, photos, videos and all the files and the personal data too. So now that's it. I just am so hesitant to click delete all data, and there is nothing else. And that's it, you guys. And this is how we can do it in the phone model OnePlus 5. Now if you just click on that, you will have something like erase data. All of your personal information and downloads and apps will be deleted, and you can't redo this action. So which is the most heartbreaking part, so I'm just doing it. Okay, let's go. And then after that you'll just have to wait. So now after a long wait, this actually took like 8 minutes, which is so long. And then finally we got hi there. Now I would like the English United States, so I'm just going to start. So you just have to agree everything. I mean not everything, so let me just tell you guys. This is an user experience program which will make that updated faster. There are so many stuff like this. If you're in, you can just put I'm in, or if you're not interested, you can just put no thanks. Will send you surveys, which if you want, so I'm just saying no thanks because I don't want that. And built-in apps is include the app stability, and which includes phone would check there. Okay, so I'm just going to agree it because they're saying you can disagree whenever you want. Okay, now you're going to go to the mobile data preference. I'm choosing Vodafone, and here it's Vodafone. How do you pronounce that? Vodafone? Okay, whatever. Now we have to connect to the Wi-Fi by putting the password, or just you can use your mobile data. And then now we're just going to be checking for a bit, so wait. Now it's asking if you want to copy the data and apps. So I don't want to copy because I want like a totally new phone, which I would sign up for everything that I want. You guys can copy the data as your last phone if you guys want. If you do that, you'll just get a smoother playback, because I'm just not copying the old data. Now let's just wait. Now you have to sign in with any of your Google account. You can obviously create a new one too, but I'm just using my old account. And after that, I'm just agreeing to their policy, and yeah, you'll just have to accept. And then it's asking for any fingerprint or screen lock or just password. I'm just skipping everything because I don't want anything. And then now I'm just going to turn on it, and it's just a Google Assistant which knows your voice, so I'm preparing it for that. Now let me just make you hear the audio. Okay Google. Okay Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Now we are done with the setup, and I'm going to start make the audio forever, because I'm so impressed with how it is. So I'm just going to agree to save the audio, because whenever I say hey Google or okay Google, it's going to reply something. And then now it's asking to change the font size or anything like that. I just don't want anything for now, because I'll make it whenever I want it to be. Now it's asking for the font. I'm using the OnePlus 8 because I think you guys can see the difference between them. It's the robot. It's just kind of shrinked. I just want the OnePlus 8, so it's recommended too. And then I'm going to start, and my new phone is here. So what's the first thing that we do? I'd probably go to YouTube, you guys. And as you guys can see, it's the unupdated YouTube. Now what is our work to do, you guys? Let's go to the Play Store and then let's type YouTube, and I'm gonna update it and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.